Is that
Look at that.
Yeah. That's the blade?
Yep.
Nice.
That was a lawnmower blade.
Whoa.
It's trying to forge the metal into one solid billet. It's called a billet. And making some progress. So the process here pretty much is we have layers of the metal and we heated it and hammered it together. And we'll slowly pound it out and draw it out and then fold it over again and continue the process. It's a pretty interesting process. But that thing is getting really nice and starting to take some nice shape on that billet. It's called a billet. They're looking pretty good.
Drawing it out and making it longer so I can fold it again. Because that seems to be welded pretty good.
Nice. Cool. Look at that. Straighten that right out. Pretty good. Ready. Okay, we straightened that metal out, which was one task in itself. And now we'll put a nice twist on it. Look at that thing. It's hot. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at the impurities cracking right off of that. I got it too close to the end. That is not a professional twist. That's a beginner's twist there. Get your eyes good. Just like that. Look at that.
Isn't that kind of easy?
Yeah, it's kind of easy. And I believe, I might be mistaken, but that shell is like impurities that are coming out of the metal. Look at that. That's beautiful. Nice. So just a basic blacksmithing skill there, twisting. You see that in wrought iron everywhere. Looks good.
I've been angling the camera.
Nice.
Oh, wow, that's not going to twist so easily, is it? I think that's why we would probably need to put it in a vise so it can, so you can twist it right where you want it instead of twisting the whole thing. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That is cool, isn't it? Look at that.
Nice.
Probably not hot enough. Yeah, we did it against the grain. I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did one twist going one way, one twist going the other.
That's because we started with a righty and then it was a lefty.
With the lefty. Gotta remember that when you're doing that stuff.
The left-handed blacksmith. None of my swords are right.